Hello everyone. Today, we'll learn how to create a heat map in SAP Analytics Cloud. Heat maps usually used to analyze how a measure varies across two dimensions. We use color gradients to represent value differences. Common use cases include analyzing sales revenue performance by product category and company, or examining product sales across regions and cities. Sales amounts are represented through color intensity variations. This visualization helps us clearly identify top-performing combination of dimensions, like which product category performs best in which city. Today, we'll create a heat map with product categories on x-axis and companies on y-axis. Let's begin. Go into the system and create a new page. Insert a chart. Select heat map from chart types. Next, we need three elements: x-axis, y-axis, and measure. For x-axis, select product category. For y-axis, choose company. Select revenue as our measure. Now, our heat map is generated. X-axis shows product categories. Y-axis shows companies. Let's adjust formatting. Format numbers to thousands with 2 decimal places. As you see, darker colors indicate higher amounts. Lighter colors mean lower amounts. This clearly shows product performance across different companies, which excel and which struggle. Take supplements category as an instance. It performs well in CA Corp, but poorly in US Corp. By default, the system generates a blue-themed heat map. You can customize the color scheme. Click here. You can choose different color now, like red or purple. You can also define custom color gradients on the left side. Select purple, and choose a light shade on the right. The heat map will then adapt based on your defined color range. Darker represent higher amounts. Lighter indicate smaller values. This is all for this course. If you found this helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and appreciate your support.